This is the Onyx2, quite simply the most powerful visual supercomputer ever built.
Silicon Graphics broke ground in symmetric multiprocessing several years ago, and now we're breaking new ground with distributed shared memory. The O2 architecture allows for scalability of processing that we've never had before.
Part of the goal for developing Onyx2 was to allow a new level of visualization and compute to hit a new customer. That customer that dreamed of having an Onyx. We want them to live it.
Onyx2 uses Silicon Graphics' revolutionary new system design approach. Scalable shared memory multiprocessors, or S2MP, enable unmatched throughput and remarkable flexibility. You can combine O2 systems, providing interactive workstations for individual creation and supercomputing clusters for final production.
The shared memory architecture really excites us because typically our problem doesn't exist entirely inside of the main memory of the computer. So if we can get data in there quickly and have multiple processors working on it simultaneously, it allows us to achieve sustained frame rates and the kind of performance our customers require.
The power of Onyx2 begins with the CPUs. Inside this desk-side configuration, there's room for multiple state-of-the-art R10000 RISC processors. These are four-way superscalar chips that handle multiple instructions at once, accelerating application performance.
With the new architecture in the Onyx2, our customers will be able to add increasing amounts of computer animation, computer compositing, other special effects into their features.
The heart of the machine, though, is the graphics pipeline, consisting of geometry engine processors, a raster manager, and a display generator. These three boards combine with the S2MP architecture to create literally the fastest graphics on the planet.
I haven't seen anything that can compare to it. You can draw geometry, you can do texture mapping, you can draw stuff that looks real.
Onyx2 comes standard with a complete set of digital media tools, including the highest production quality audio and video.
We're increasingly addressing the high end of the video customers, people putting out signature pieces where the quality within the video has to compare to feature film. For that, we need the real-time video I/O capabilities in the new digital media features from Silicon Graphics.
And that's really important in our application since all of our customers ultimately want video. They want to bring more video into the graphics virtual set that we're generating in real time, and this just gives them much, much more flexibility.
To complement its phenomenal processing and visualization power, Onyx2 is an immersive technology. It supports VR goggles and comes standard with a super-wide monitor.
Kodak customers are uniquely positioned to require the super-wide monitor. Our customers are all at 2K frames, 4K frames, getting far closer to those types of densities on the monitor. Makes it a far more interesting tool and gives them far better control and feel for the actual way the film will look.
Room for additional graphics pipelines means stereo imaging for molecular modeling, or multi-screen displays for battlefield simulations, or location-based entertainment.
The Onyx2's multi-pipe, multi-channel capability is really going to benefit us in our entertainment section of our business. In location-based entertainment, they constantly want to drive the price per seat down. And that's what this is going to allow us to do.
Built into the architecture of this machine is a flexibility and scalability that lets you configure it not only to meet your needs, but also your budget.
This is exactly the kind of thing we expect from our partner. Constantly pushing the performance bar ahead while bringing the price level down, and both of those things are happening in the Onyx2.
Now we've got a lot of customers out there who can really afford to buy this technology and start putting it to use. Before, it was just something that was there at the top end and something that was a little bit out of reach.
We basically have an ability now where we can scale graphics just like we can scale CPU and I/O.
We can add more graphics systems, we can add more I/O, we can add more processors, we can add more memory. And every time you add more processors and memory, you get more bandwidth.
One of the big things we see with Onyx2 is the ease and flexibility that we can configure systems. We can start with a single processor and grow it very easily to multi-processors. And that's what our customers really need.
Onyx2 is binary compatible with the entire Silicon Graphics line, giving you seamless integration across the enterprise from the workstation to the supercomputer.
We get a nice transition from the Indigo product line, the high impacts, all the way through to the top-end monster Onyx machines, and we see a way of using every one of those platforms in our application.
Actually, Onyx 2 to us is exactly what we expected from Silicon Graphics. It's taking the graphics technology and the multiprocessing technology and pushing it down to a lower price point. And our customers like that.
Kodak is excited about the Silicon Graphics Onyx 2 line because of the whole package.
Onyx 2 combines super-fast CPUs, innovative architecture, and unrivaled visualization technology. The only competition is reality itself.